Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can animate text with Tremble effect on CapCut. So first, you can just add your text to your video. Then you can change it into your favorite font. Okay, I'm going to try this one and I'm going to change the color. Okay, and to add the tremble effect, you can just go to animation, find loop, and in here just scroll down until you find the tremble effect. So here there are two options, strong tremble 1 and also tremble 2. I'm going to just use the strong tremble 2. Then you can adjust, if you want to go fast, just slide it to the left. If you want to go slow with the effect, just go to the right, like this. After that, just click on the check icon and you are done with the tremble text effect on CapCut. Okay guys, so that's all from me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks or like this video, comment, and also subscribe. Bye.